Have you ever felt like investing is a secret game that only the rich and financially savvy get to play? Well, it's time to shatter that myth. In 2024, the rules of the game have changed, and investing is no longer reserved for Wall Street moguls. But here's the kicker. Most beginners are still stuck in the same old traps, losing money before they even get started. The truth is, investing doesn't have to be complicated, and you don't need a finance degree to get ahead. You just need the right guidance, something most experts won't tell you. Think about this. Every day your money sits idle. Inflation chips away at its value. It's like watching your paycheck shrink without spending a dime. But what if I told you that learning to invest, even with just a small amount, could turn the tables in your favor? Forget those get-rich-quick schemes and confusing stock tips. This guide is all about straightforward, no-nonsense advice that works. We're diving into the essentials of investing, breaking down each step, so you can finally start growing your wealth with confidence. So, if you're tired of feeling left out of the investing world and ready to take control of your financial future, keep reading. This isn't just another how-to guide. This is your chance to learn the strategies that can change your life. Ready to break free from financial stagnation? Let's get started. Investing might seem like a maze of complex terms and risky decisions, but it's simpler than it looks. There are several ways to invest: stocks, bonds, real estate, and even starting your own business. Each option comes with its own set of risks and benefits, making it essential to align your choices with your personal goals and risk tolerance. For instance, stocks can offer high returns, but they also come with the possibility of losing your investment. On the other hand, bonds are generally safer but offer lower returns, making them ideal for those who prioritize stability. If you prefer something tangible, real estate could be a smart play. It's not just about buying property and hoping the value goes up. It's about understanding market trends, choosing the right location, and knowing when to buy or sell. Owning a rental property, for instance, can generate a steady income stream, much like a second paycheck. Think of it as your tenant indirectly paying down your mortgage, and eventually, that property could turn into a lucrative asset. Then there's the world of entrepreneurship and investing in startups, often referred to as fast lane investing. This path can lead to incredible returns if you back the right ideas, but it's not without its risks. Ever dreamed of owning a trendy cafe or creating a groundbreaking app? Those ventures can bring enormous rewards, but they require savvy planning and a willingness to dive into the unknown. Understanding these various investment options is like unlocking a treasure chest of opportunities. You just need the key that fits. Investing is all about making your money work for you, rather than you working for it. At its core, investing is simply buying assets that appreciate in value or generate income, like stocks that pay dividends or properties that provide rental income. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about planting seeds that grow over time. Imagine buying shares in a company you believe in. Each quarter, you might receive a small dividend, and as the company grows, so does your investment. This simple concept is the backbone of all investing strategies. One of the best things about investing is that you don't need a fortune to start. With just a few dollars, you can begin buying stocks or even fractional shares, which are small portions of a single stock. Imagine picking up a slice of Amazon or Apple without needing hundreds of dollars up front. It's a game changer for anyone wanting to dip their toes into the market. Plus, investing consistently, even small amounts, can lead to significant growth over time thanks to the magic of compounding. Investing also teaches you the value of patience and strategic thinking. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by market fluctuations or news headlines, but the most successful investors are those who stay the course. By focusing on long-term goals instead of quick wins, you're setting yourself up for financial stability down the road. It's like planting a tree. You water it, nurture it, and over time, it provides shade and fruit. And just as every tree grows differently, your investment journey will be unique, shaped by your choices and persistence. Inflation might seem like a distant concept, but it affects everyone's wallet, slowly eating away at the value of your money. Imagine your hard-earned cash sitting idle in a savings account. Over time, it loses purchasing power. This is why investing is crucial. It helps your money grow faster than inflation can erode it. For example, if inflation is at 3% annually and your savings are earning just 1%, you're effectively losing money each year. Investing, therefore, becomes a necessary shield against this silent threat. Inflation isn't just about rising prices. It's about the cost of living creeping up on you. Think of everyday expenses, groceries, gas, or rent. What you could buy for $100 last year might cost you $105 today. Without investing, you're stuck in a cycle where your income struggles to keep up with ever-increasing costs. By putting your money into assets that grow, like stocks or real estate, you're actively fighting back, preserving your purchasing power, and securing your financial future. Investors often look at inflation as a call to action. Instead of letting their money depreciate, they channel it into assets that historically outpace inflation, like the stock market or real estate. For instance, investing in the stock market over the long term has typically provided returns well above inflation rates. It's not just about making more money. It's about keeping what you have from slipping through your fingers. Inflation doesn't rest, and neither should your approach to managing your wealth. Real estate is often considered one of the most reliable ways to invest because it combines the potential for income with the long-term appreciation of assets. Picture this. You buy a rental property and every month, tenants pay rent that not only covers your mortgage, but also leaves some extra cash in your pocket. Over time, as property values rise, your investment grows, and so does your wealth. It's like having a second income stream that steadily builds up your financial security. But real estate isn't just about buying any property, it's about making smart choices. Location, market conditions, and property type all play a significant role in how successful your investment will be. Think of it like buying a fixer-upper in an up-and-coming neighborhood. You're not just buying a house, you're buying potential. Renovate, rent, and watch as the property's value and your income rises. It's a tangible, hands-on approach to growing your money that many find rewarding. Of course, real estate does come with its own set of challenges, like maintenance costs, dealing with tenants, or market downturns. But with proper planning and the right mindset, these challenges become manageable. Many successful investors diversify their portfolios with a mix of properties. Some buy commercial spaces, others focus on vacation rentals. The key is to start with what you can handle and grow from there. Real estate, when approached wisely, can be a powerful engine driving your financial freedom. Stocks are often seen as the gateway to the world of investing, and for good reason. They offer accessibility and potential for substantial growth. Imagine buying a tiny piece of a company like Microsoft or Tesla. As that company grows, so does your investment. Stocks are more than just numbers on a screen. They represent real ownership in businesses that drive the global economy. And while they come with risks, they also come with the chance to earn dividends, those little bonus payments companies make to shareholders as a way of sharing their profits. Investing in stocks doesn't require a Wall Street guru's expertise. Many platforms now allow you to buy fractional shares, making it easier than ever to start small. Even putting aside just $50 a month can accumulate into a significant sum over time, especially when invested in well-established companies or promising new ventures. It's about consistency and patience, not trying to time the market perfectly. Stocks offer a way to grow your wealth while participating in the success stories of the companies you believe in. Dividends, in particular, are a great way to generate passive income without selling your shares. Think of them as a thank you note from the company, rewarding you for your loyalty. Some investors even focus solely on dividend-paying stocks, creating a portfolio that provides a steady income stream. It's a strategy that not only builds wealth, but also provides cash flow along the way. Investing in stocks might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it can be a powerful tool to secure your financial future. Index funds have become the go-to choice for many investors, especially beginners, because they offer a simple yet effective way to grow wealth. Imagine having a little piece of hundreds of companies all at once. That's what you get with an index fund like the S&P 500. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're investing in a broad market slice, which means your risk is spread out. It's like having a team of MVPs rather than relying on just one star player. This approach often outperforms trying to pick the next big stock, especially if you don't have time to constantly monitor the market. Stock picking, on the other hand, is like playing a game of high-stakes poker. You could land a jackpot with a single stock, but the risk is much higher. Think of it like betting all your chips on a single hand. It's thrilling, but also stressful, especially if you don't have the expertise or the nerves of steel needed to handle the ups and downs. Many experts argue that for most people, consistently investing in index funds over time can lead to better returns with less headache. Index funds also save you time and effort, requiring little maintenance beyond regular contributions. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it strategy. You're not trying to outsmart the market. You're simply riding its overall growth. It's like being on a steady cruise instead of a roller coaster. And with lower fees compared to actively managed funds, more of your money stays in your pocket. For those looking to start strong and keep things simple, index funds are often the perfect match. Managing investment risks is all about keeping your cool when the market seems to be going haywire. The truth is, every investor faces market downturns, but the secret lies in not panicking. Picture this. The market dips, and you feel the urge to sell everything. It's a common reaction, but it often leads to locking in losses that could have been avoided. Instead, the wise approach is to stay the course and remember that markets are cyclical. They go up, they go down, but over time, they tend to grow. One of the best ways to manage risk is by diversifying your investments. Think of it like not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your money across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, you reduce the impact of a poor performance in any single investment. It's like having a backup plan for your backup plan. This strategy helps to smooth out the bumps and keeps your portfolio more balanced, especially during volatile times. Another key element in managing risks is understanding your own tolerance for them. Not everyone is cut out for the wild swings of the stock market, and that's okay. Knowing your limits allows you to tailor your investments to what you can handle emotionally and financially. It's not just about what's happening in the market. It's about how you respond to it. Having a plan and sticking to it, even when things get rough, is what separates successful investors from those who fold under pressure. Fast lane investing is all about betting on yourself or your business, offering the potential for explosive returns that traditional investments often can't match. Imagine turning your unique skills or ideas into a money-making venture. It's like creating your own stock, where the value is directly tied to your effort and innovation. Whether it's launching an online course, starting a consulting business, or developing a new app, fast lane investing puts you in the driver's seat, letting you control the pace and direction of your financial growth. This approach isn't for the faint of heart, though. Unlike passive investments like index funds or real estate, fast lane investing requires a significant amount of time, energy, and sometimes even money up front. But the rewards can be life-changing. Consider entrepreneurs like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos, who didn't just invest in stocks, they invested in themselves and their visions. While not everyone will build the next Amazon, finding your niche can turn passion into profit, creating an income stream that's truly your own. The beauty of fast lane investing is that it's deeply personal and tailored to your strengths. Not everyone is meant to be a stock market whiz, but maybe you're a fantastic baker who could turn weekend sales into a booming side hustle. Or perhaps you have a knack for teaching that could evolve into an online course. The key is to identify what you're good at, what people need, and where those two intersect. Fast lane investing is more than a financial strategy. It's a call to bet on your own potential. Now that you've got the knowledge, the real question is, what are you going to do with it? The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't luck, it's action. Are you ready to start investing in your future? Whether it's putting a few dollars into an index fund, exploring the world of real estate, or even betting on your own skills, the power is in your hands. Don't let fear or indecision keep you on the sidelines. The market won't wait, and every day you hesitate is another missed opportunity to build your wealth. Think about where you want to be a year from now. Will you still be wishing you had started? Or will you be watching your investments grow, proud of the steps you took today? The path to financial freedom isn't about perfection. It's about persistence. And hey, everyone starts somewhere. Even the biggest investors were once beginners too. So, what's stopping you? Dive in, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Ready to take the plunge? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip, strategy, or insight that could change your financial game. Let's keep this journey going together, because the best investment you can make is in yourself. See you on the next video.